Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Chainlink's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were, I believe, right around this area, and I was saying it is so easy to find a 1 2 3 4 5 to about this point when you look at this chart from like a zoom out point of view. However, the easiest answer is not usually the right answer, so I said maybe in here we are having a series of 1-2s, and this can be 1 2 3 4 5 into a larger degree wave 3, and what we want to see next is most likely a correction for 4, and then at least another move on the upside into wave 5. Now, I do not have any problem at all finding, probably I would say starting from this point, a 1 2 3 4 5 wave into our wave 5. The question is, what is going on starting from this high? I think we need to consider different possibilities. One scenario suggests maybe this is like an extension structure into our wave 5, meaning this can be a 1 2, and right now we are on our way to have a big move into wave 3 4 5, indicating this move is going to continue for quite a bit. Sure, this is absolutely bullish, but it's not really going to be my primary scenario because I'll be honest, I'm not really that lucky. Now, I think in Chainlink you can consider the possibility of having maybe an ABC expanded flat down, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, and in this phase we're going to take this high and another strong move down into wave C, which in it we're going to take the low of our wave A, and for the sub waves, ABC down into A, ABC into B, and yes, a 1 2 3 4 5 wave down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and count some waves and see what is happening. So first things first, I need you to wait a little bit more and see in Chainlink, are we going to specifically take this low or not, about $16.9. Why is that? Because if we take this low at that point, finding an impulse in this whole phase on the upside is going to be kind of a challenge, and I'm going to argue either this is an ABC or maybe a WXY, and before that, I think we can all agree this is a beautiful ABC zigzag with a clear-cut triangle structure into our B leg, and well, okay, maybe right now we are having 5 wave down into a wave 1. This can be like a flat one into wave 2, and what's gonna happen next? Good move down into wave 3 4 5, and in this phase we may take this low all the way down here about like $16.50, and at that point I need you to not really panic because odds are these are the subwaves for a beautiful ABC expanded flat. So in Chainlink for now, I need you to have this scenario in the back of your mind, so in case that we get a move down, you don't really get surprised at all. Okay, this is a very important point. Sure, I can now come up with some magnificent bullish possibilities suggesting we are having an extension, and from here we're going to get a move up, and I can tell you with absolute certainty this is going to happen. And yeah, that video would probably get a lot more views, but I'm not really here to do that. I have learned from the markets and I have been humbled by the market. So I would like to suggest for now, consider this scenario as our bearish one, suggesting in the short term we're going to get a move down. Now, this is important, pay attention. In terms of classic technical analysis, meaning support and resistances, we are on the verge of getting a break of this important level, which is absolutely a bullish sign. You see, this is from weekly and daily time frame at the same time, and now we can safely say this is our initial breaking phase, and what we want to see is a move down in order to have just a simple pullback and then a continuation of the move up in order to take this side. Sure, right now we don't have this phase yet, but I can definitely tell you we are absolutely on the right track, which is an optimistic sign in check. So for now, I think we are looking good and bullish, and if we get a move down, you shouldn't really be worried at all, as long as we are staying above this level, which the lower band of it is about 14 and the higher band of it is around $15.5. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Chainlink's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.